Welcome to this video on gel electrophoresis. This is a method used to separate molecules, such as DNA fragments, in an electric field. The separation is based on the size and charge of the molecules. Let's review some key terms. The gel is the matrix, usually agarose, used to separate the DNA. The buffer is a salt solution that conducts electricity. The well refers to the slots in the gel where the samples are loaded. During the process, an electric current is passed through the gel. Since DNA is negatively charged, it moves towards the positive electrode. Smaller DNA fragments move faster through the gel, while larger fragments move slower. A dye is used to stain the DNA for visibility. For a visual understanding of the process, you can refer to the gel electrophoresis animation linked on this slide. The main tools used in this process include the micropipette for accurate volume transfer, disposable pipette tips, the gel tray, the comb for creating wells, carbon fiber electrodes, and electrical leads. The process involves casting the gel by pouring agarose and using a comb to create the wells. After the gel solidifies, the DNA samples are loaded into the wells, and the gel is ready to run. Using a micropipette requires careful technique for accurate loading of the DNA sample into the gel's wells. This image shows a person carefully loading DNA samples into the wells of a gel using a micropipette. Correct loading involves inserting the tip straight into the well without puncturing the gel, as shown in the correct diagram. Incorrect angles can lead to damage and sample leakage. Running a gel involves applying an electric current. The negatively charged DNA moves toward the positive electrode. Shorter fragments migrate farther and faster than longer ones. These images display examples of gels after electrophoresis, showing how different fragments separate into visible bands based on size and charge. A common application is DNA fingerprinting. This involves separating DNA from multiple suspects in a crime scene sample, labeled CS, to compare the banding patterns. Additional resources, including animations and virtual labs, are provided on this slide to further your understanding of gel electrophoresis.